Hi, we are the Okoyes, Billy and Montague Okoye, and congratulations on your career day. Today we're just here to talk to you about what we do, and we are real estate agents and brokers.
We are real estate. When people talk about real estate, they wonder, what is real estate? Real estate is developing and building the homes. These homes that you guys live in is called real estate. Okay? So daddy and mommy bought the house and everybody had their rooms. How did they get it? We are the ones that help them to facilitate the process of buying a house. Okay?
And so what does it take to be a real estate agent? A person who wants to be a real estate agent has to be patient. They have to be understanding. They have to have the time to understand what clients want. And the clients and customers are the people who are purchasing the home. So you have to be somebody who can listen to people very clearly, take instructions, and have sympathy for what people are going through, because buying and selling a home is a very stressful process. Okay, so what do you need to have in order to become a real estate agent? What do you need to do?
To become a real estate agent, first you have to, like you said, you have to be patient, you have to take a class, pass, and then find a broker office that you can walk out of. Okay? And then you have to be coachable. Listen, like go to the office, take trainings, so you can serve people so that they can buy the home that you love.
So what do you need to do to be successful in real estate? You have to talk to a lot of people and let them know what you do, because guess what? You're in the business of sales. You're in the business of telling people, helping people to find what they need. Any other suggestions?
You have to be transparent and truthful. Never tell lies, tell the truth all the time. The truth will always prevail. Okay? True, when they want to buy their house, the type of the house they want, how much they can afford, and then lead them to the house to make a decision. Okay?
Great. And also, just always remember that the real estate industry is always changing, but there will always be a need for professionals who can guide people.
One thing we love about real estate is that, you make a lot of friends.
Yes.
Every person you sell a house becomes your friend. You get to know their dad, you get to know your mom, you get to make friends all the time. So if you guys, get up and you want to do something, think about real estate. It's a beautiful profession. We love it.